is Confident, and in this video I'd like to show you how to sort data by writing JavaScript in Appsmith. This is really useful if you like your data to be shown up in a particular way, so we're going to be using the built-in JavaScript sort method to sort data in Appsmith. Right here we have a simple application which is a store application displaying products, and we are showing products coming from the getProducts API endpoint, which is a simple endpoint that returns products, and data coming from that API endpoint is linked to the table widget right here. So the question is, what if we want to sort the data shown on this table by price and we want to make it in an ascending order? How do we do that? We can write a sort method to do that for us. And to show you how to do that, I'm going to head over to the table data property, and taking a look at the evaluated value pane, we can see that the data returned from the API is an array of objects, and each object has a price property. So what we can do is to write a sort function right here. So this is going to be sort. And we now want to implement the logic that actually does the comparison between the price of items in the table. So we're going to take in two items. Let's call the first item A and second item B. And what we want to do is to return a comparison. So we want to check the price of A. So this will be A.price. And we want to compare that with B.price. And when that's done, heading back to the table widget, we can see that each item has now been sorted by price in an ascending order. And we did that by writing the sort function right here in JavaScript inside of Appsmith. So this is how you can sort data by writing JavaScript inside of Appsmith. I'll be leaving a link in the description to the sort method reference just in case you'd like to learn more. Alright, that'll be all for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.